back to Bake Bros. First thing first, wash our hands. Today we're making vanilla caramel apple crisp. Let's go! We're gonna start by making the topping. So we are making 2 batches of apple crisp because one for Thanksgiving and one for right now. If you want to make 1 apple crisp, just split it in half. We're gonna start with the topping. 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, and then 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna mix it. Make sure all of the brown sugar clumps are squished. I got this apron for a gift. Iris gave it to me. Iris takes care of our dog if we're like on trip. She's our neighbor. She is very funny. Now we need half a cup of cold butter. Cold. My mom already chopped it for me. There we go. We have to mix it all in, and we're using a tomato masher. Potato masher. I call it the potato masher 3556. It's sticking. It needs to go into the fridge so that it stays cold.
Fridge.
I mean fridge.
That's fridge. That's the freezer.
Now we're on to the filling. Now we are going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now we have to lightly grease the pan, 7 by 11. Iron Man!
What's making Iron Man today?
Apple crisp. This is gonna go in compost. 2.3 seconds. Now we're going to put the chopped apples in the dishes evenly. You missed.
I got him.
Go. Think that's even? Toss 2 tablespoons of sugar in each. 2 tablespoons in each of flour, so that equals 4. Yeah, we're just eyeballing it here. In each of these, we need 1 tablespoon of apple pie spice or cinnamon. You know how much I love vanilla extract. It's not normally a part of the ingredients, but this is extra special. So we need to put my favorite thing for the extra special. Oh my gosh! Now we're going to mix it around. Mom, take this away from me. Mix it. Make sure to stir it until everything that we put is all mixed in. We're going to scatter the toppings over the apples. Make sure it's even. I'm just doing this mixture. We're going to cover this one, plastic wrap, so then we can cook it next weekend for Thanksgiving. So we need to cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. Now we clean up the We know when it's done when the apple crisp is bubbling. Let's see, let's take a look. Oh, that's bubbling for sure. Don't forget to let it cool for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna serve it. Because the apple crisp is called vanilla caramel apple crisp, we have to add the caramel. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. A mouthful. Oops. Here's your dessert.
So excited. Mmm, so delicious. 10 out of 10.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, please. Mmm, so good. Want to try it?
Sure.